Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Andersen sliding door parts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining the smooth operation and aesthetic appeal of your home's entryways, ensuring that your sliding doors glide effortlessly and securely, enhancing both convenience and the overall value of your property. Number 5. Andersen Tribeca Gliding Door Thumb Latch. Introducing the Tribeca style gliding door thumb latch from Andersen. It offers a sleek and modern design for your home. This thumb latch is specifically designed for gliding doors, ensuring smooth and easy operation every time you use it. The beautiful stone color complements a variety of interior decors. It adds a touch of subtle elegance to any room. Experience the perfect blend of style and function with this unique latch. Its design is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Crafted with Andersen's renowned quality, this thumb latch is built to last. Enjoy peace of mind with a durable and reliable product. What we like. This thumb latch offers a distinct Tribeca style in a versatile stone color. It's designed for easy operation and a clean aesthetic. If you're looking to match a specific decor or prefer a subtle, earthy tone for your Andersen gliding door, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This latch is an Andersen brand which matches my original, so it is of the highest quality and fit perfectly. The latch locks firmly and operates smoothly. Bolted right onto an early 2000s Andersen sliding door. Number 4. Andersen Screen Door Rollers. Experience effortless gliding with our premium rollers. Designed for your Andersen sliding screen doors, they ensure smooth operation every time. Ensure the best fit and performance with this genuine part from Andersen. It's made specifically for their patio screen doors. These rollers are designed for a straightforward installation process. Get your screen door sliding smoothly again in no time. Crafted for longevity, these rollers are built to withstand regular use. Enjoy reliable performance for years to come. This pair of rollers is essential for the proper function of your Andersen sliding screen door. Restore its smooth movement with this quality replacement. What we like. These rollers are specifically designed for Andersen sliding screen doors. They ensure your screen door glides smoothly. If you have an Andersen sliding screen door and need replacement rollers, this pair is a direct and reliable solution. What people say. Easy direct replacement. Doors are like brand new again. Do not buy the other aftermarket rollers. They do not fit correctly. Buy these, they are a perfect fit and work exactly as the original rollers. Perfect fit, was able to repair old screen door in just a few minutes. Number 3. Andersen Gliding Patio Door Tandem Roller Assembly. Experience effortless movement with our dual ball bearing rollers. They are designed to provide a smooth gliding operation for your patio door. This assembly features self-contained leveling adjusters for your convenience. Ensure your door is perfectly aligned with minimal effort. Specifically crafted for Andersen 200 Series Narrowline, 200 Series PermaShield, and 400 Series Frenchwood gliding patio doors. It's compatible with models manufactured from 1982 to the present. This is the tandem roller assembly for your Andersen gliding patio door. It ensures continued smooth operation and easy adjustments. For optimal performance and longevity, we recommend replacing both rollers simultaneously. This ensures balanced and consistent operation. What we like. Experience exceptionally smooth operation with these dual ball bearing rollers. The self-contained leveling adjusters make installation and alignment a breeze. If you have an Andersen gliding patio door manufactured from 1982 onwards and prioritize effortless movement and easy adjustment, this assembly is ideal. What people say. Easy install and great fit. Door slides smoothly. These rollers completely solve my issue and save me thousands. Highly recommend. Smooth, quiet, and effortless operation again. Number 2. Andersen Upper Screen Spring, before 1991-199-7196. This is the upper screen spring for your Andersen patio door, designed for models manufactured before 1991. Each patio door screen requires 2 of these springs for proper function. It is compatible with PermaShield patio door screens made before 1991. It also fits earlier versions of French wood gliding and hinged patio door screens from 1987 to 1991. You'll find this spring located at the top of the screen frame. Its purpose is to provide tension, ensuring the screen stays securely in its track. This part is crucial for the smooth operation of your screen door. It helps maintain the correct tension for optimal performance. Ensure your screen functions as intended with this genuine Andersen replacement part. It's designed to meet the original specifications for your older Andersen patio doors. What we like. This upper screen spring is crucial for maintaining screen tension and keeping it in its track. It's specifically for older Andersen patio door screens manufactured before 1991. If you have an older PermaShield or Frenchwood screen door and are experiencing issues with the screen sagging or coming off track, this part is essential. What people say. Product exactly as described and fit perfectly. This was perfect to replace the missing piece on my old sliding Andersen glass doors. Measure to be sure it is the one. Springs fit and work very well even on an older 1985 Andersen sliding door. Number 1. Andersen Tribeca Style Gliding Door Latch. Introducing the Andersen Tribeca Style Gliding Door Latch in white. This reach-out type replacement latch is designed for the interior of your operating patio door panel. It is compatible with Narrow-Lean, PermaShield, and French wood gliding patio doors. This ensures a seamless fit for your existing Andersen doors. This latch is perfect for use with both 2-panel and 4-panel door configurations. Enjoy enhanced functionality regardless of your door setup. Installation is straightforward as the necessary fasteners are included. You'll have your new latch up and running in no time. The clean white color complements various door styles. It's a durable and practical solution for your gliding patio door. What we like. This white thumb latch brings the popular Tribeca style to your Andersen gliding door. It's a reach-out type latch designed for interior use on operating panels, suitable for both 2-panel and 4-panel doors. If you prefer a clean, classic white finish and need a reliable interior latch for your Narrow-Lean, PermaShield, or Frenchwood gliding patio door, this is a great option. What people say. This part works perfectly on my old sliding glass door. This lock works like new now. Exact fit OEM replacement for my sliding door thumb latch lock that had gotten internally loose after 10 years of multiple daily use. It literally took 2 minutes to uninstall the old one and replace it with this new one. Perfect fit in my door, although my OEM latch had a slightly squarer styling as opposed to the Tribeca style of this one, which is a bit more oval in shape. Nonetheless, it installed perfectly and works as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.